Hello, my dear family and friends. Hope you all are doing well. Please support Siri Kitchen Moments channel and kindly provide your valuable feedback. Please watch the videos till the end for better clarity. Also, follow and tag Siri Kitchen Moments on different social media handles, which I will post in the description section of this video. With that said, without further ado, let's get into our today's video. Basic spice sprinkled scrambled eggs, aka Anda Bhurji, also known as Kodi Guddu Porutu, is the most easiest recipe that anyone can make with just few basic flavored ingredients. So let's jump to the recipe. Firstly, heat a skillet and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, it's time to season the oil with some Bengal gram, black gram, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, broken red chilies, and stir. Now add few curry leaves. Stir the seasoning, and when Bengal gram and black gram turn light golden in color, that's when add finely chopped onions and mix well. Let the onions fry on medium flame. Now add little salt as per your taste and a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix and stir well. Make sure you add just enough salt as per your taste. Do not make the curry salty. Saute the onions until translucent. Once the onions turn translucent, add red chili powder as per your spice level and mix well. After the spices are coated well to the sauteed onions, crack the eggs open directly into the pan one by one. Or you can crack the eggs open in a bowl and then add it to the onion mix. So it's your convenience and your choice on how you want to add the eggs. Here I have used 8 eggs to prepare this egg porutu. After adding the eggs, lower the flame and cover with the lid for about 5 minutes. Now open the lid and gently stir and scrape the sides of the eggs part in the skillet. Close the lid again and cook for another 5 minutes on low to medium flame. Now open the lid and again gently stir and mix the egg. It's up to you if you want to have medium-sized egg bites or completely make it into smaller chunks. I like to have it a little medium-sized, so I gently break and saute the egg curry. Cover the lid again for about 2 minutes and then open the lid and stir to mix well. At the end, add a teaspoon of garam masala and combine the curry well. Garnish with coriander leaves and turn off the heat. And it's here, our simple Kodi Guddu Porutu or Anda Bhurji or spice sprinkled scrambled eggs. Whatever the name may be, it's ready to be served. Here's my wholesome meal, which includes egg porutu, which we just prepared. Along with it, I have brown rice, chicken pickle, some lettuce for salad, pappu telagapindi, which is made from sesame seeds. It's a very authentic dish, which usually for the women after the delivery, usually it's the Telugu people would know it. And then we have some tamarind rasam, a cup of yogurt, and a few grapes. Of course, with some of the ghee added. Always enjoy wholesome home-cooked food. This egg porutu is perfect while doing intermittent fasting as well. When you're running short of time, then prepare, serve and eat this simple Kodi Guddu Porutu and enjoy the subtle hints of spices. If anyone watching for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, please do so by clicking subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon and select all notifications option so that as and when new videos are uploaded in Siri Kitchen Moments, you will receive immediate notifications. If you like this video, please do click on the like button. Also, you can express your valuable opinions and suggestions in the comment section and share this video to your loved ones. In short, please like, share, subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments.